On Wednesday, the exchange rates of the U.S.
dollar USD against the Iraqi Dinar IQD presented a mixed picture in Iraq's financial markets, according to a survey conducted by Shafaq News Agency. Capital city of Baghdad witnessed a stabilization of the dollar rate, while the northern hub of Erbil saw a marginal decline. This nuanced shift highlights the complexity of Iraq's currency market, where local dynamics, global pressures, and policy frameworks intertwine. With the opening of Baghdad's central Al-Kifah and Al-Harithiya stock exchanges, the USD exchange rate remained 142,700 IQD for every $100, identical to Tuesday's closing numbers. At exchange shops, however, the selling rate stood at 143,750 IQD. The buying rate was 141,750 IQD per $100. Meanwhile, in Erbil, the selling price dropped slightly to 142,550 IQD per $100, and the buying rate slipped to 142,500 IQD, underscoring a local trend towards softer dollar demand in the Kurdistan region. Compared to Baghdad's steady positioning, the trajectory of the Iraqi Dinar against the US dollar has long been a mirror reflecting Iraq's economic journey. Prior to the 1990s, the dinar was one of the strongest regional currencies, buoyed by oil wealth and relative stability. However, decades of war, sanctions, and political instability dramatically weakened the IQD. The 2003 US-led invasion and subsequent restructuring of Iraq's financial system set the stage for a new exchange regime. The Central Bank of Iraq (CBI) adopted an auction-based mechanism to stabilize currency flows and regulate liquidity. This framework allowed the dinar to hover within a relatively narrow band against the dollar, but challenges persisted, especially with parallel market fluctuations. In recent years, government reforms, international financial monitoring, and changing oil revenue streams have exerted a direct influence on the exchange rate. The 2020 to 2021 currency devaluation, when the CBI officially adjusted the rate to around 145,000 IQD per 100 USD, continues to shape the financial landscape today. Baghdad and today's exchange rate trends in Baghdad and Erbil reflect a broader narrative of Iraq's economic balancing act. While Baghdad's markets showcase the effectiveness of central oversight, Erbil's after movement underscores the importance of regional dynamics and localized demand. The Iraqi dinar's performance remains closely tied to oil, governance, and global dollar trends. As Iraq continues to rebuild and reform, currency stability will remain both a symbol and a test of broader economic resilience. For now, Iraqis, whether in Baghdad's stock exchange halls or Erbil's bustling markets, watch the numbers with cautious eyes, knowing that behind every fluctuation lies a story of policy, trade, and livelihoods.